Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about the Elgato Heavy Base. This thing is amazing. I'm absolutely so excited to check it out, open the box, and just really get into this versatile and very unique and special product. This video is completely unsponsored, and I bought this product with my own money just because it seems perfect for my use case situation, and I just want to go ahead and let's get into it. All right, so I just basically want to open this box, check it out. We're going to see what this Elgato Heavy Base multi-mount accessory is all about, and then quickly going to actually walk you through my personal use case scenario here at my desk and give you a kind of a really full picture of what this product is all about. So basically the multi-mount system is this like long bar that I'm going to show you later. And this base, it's basically a part of this whole system. So as we can see here, this basically is a very simple product. So that's why we're not going to spend a ton of time going through all of it. It's quite a simple instruction to assemble. Thing is, it's several pounds. I don't remember the exact value. I think it's about 12 pounds. We're going to take this out of here. Ooh, there it is. Yeah, I don't want to drop it. We'll just kind of let the cardboard go. This thing we're gonna hold on tight. Woo! All right, baby, off to the side you go. This thing says literally, this base is built like a tank. Handle with caution. I can confirm it is quite heavy, but it's manageable. You know, you got to focus up and use your power. So just a bunch more cardboard and packaging inside there. We'll take it out. It feels just like a metal, yeah, kind of like a big piece of metal. Pretty straightforward. No big deal. Take it out of the packaging here. It shouldn't be too big of a deal to just tear in. Get everything shaking. You wouldn't want to drop this, you know, you wouldn't want to drop this on your foot or anything like that. I'd say to be very careful not to let, you know, kids or anything come along and play with it. So as you can see here, you got the Elgato branding. There's a lovely little like soft, sticky sort of rubber cover. And when you run your finger along it, you can see like this is going to grip the desk or grip the surface you have it on really well. I've got it on my hand and I'm, you know, shaking it around a little bit. It doesn't seem to be moving or slipping or sliding too much. So I think that's part of it that they don't really include in the advertising, the marketing material, is that this thing is also a sturdy, heavy base. What this is going to do is going to take the bar, the straight rod that extends out from this, and allow me to move it around and use it on my desk in a different way. So I'm going to basically put this thing down and I'm going to cut to the section of the video where I'm going to be using it, and you're going to get a chance to check it out and see if it's something that could work for you or not. All right, so check it out. You know what I'm saying? This is my desk. This is where I hang out. Keyboard and everything. We got some lighting controls and everything, but now you see this disaster, and what you're looking at is literally a book. This is a cooking book. It's actually called Easy as Pie. So shout out to Susan. And that central circular metal core is the Elgato Multi Mount. Now that rod extends all the way up, and it's where my camera connects up here above the monitor. Now you get a little look into what we're up to. We're making a video. And the problem with this is that my desk is wider than the width of that clamp that you see. And that little circular rod wouldn't fit onto my desk. And that, at first, I thought was a reason that I couldn't use this product. However, when I found out about the heavy base, that's when I realized that I could use the heavy base on my desk instead of that thing and get rid of this clunky situation. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to disassemble those carpentry clamps. We're going to get rid of the pie book, and I'm going to show you the next step of the process. All right, so as you can see, I got to take this thing off of my pie book, which, I mean, this could actually be different in your scenario. That's probably likely. However, it's all about adapting to what you've got at the time to make it work. So this thing is served its purpose. Now I'll just kind of give you just a super little brief look here of this multi-mount bracket. And then at the end, it's got this sort of universal grip that allows it to adapt to the ball adapters. And I happen to have the other section here. And as you can see, this piece has the end section that it connects to the camera. Of course, doesn't want to focus on that, but that's that little universal screw. And then along there is an articulated joint, and then the ball, which connects into the end here. Now, I'm not going to actually connect that right now, because what we want to do is we want to remove this thing from the multi-mount, and that's where I think the multi-sized Allen keys come from. And yeah, so there's actually two size Allen keys. There's this big one and one that's a little bit smaller, so I'm going to use them. The one in the center seems to be the one in the center here seems to be the one that we need to focus on. So we'll remove that. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove all of these screws. All right, so there's a really handy tip. Make sure you've got that thing fully extended, and then you can use this Allen key very quickly. A little bit tight, but not too bad. All right, so now I can feel it really coming loose. I know this screw is quite short. Starting to pull because there we go. Okay, so it's apart. Now, obviously, we have to use these black new ones because they're longer. So get rid of that bracket. I don't need that anymore. But what I do need, so this is where you want to put this thing on the edge of a desk to really get the most out of it. I guess there's a spot at the bottom or a spot in the middle. And I see how, depending on your purpose, this could really help. And even though this thing is quite heavy, you don't want to put it off balance by too much. So I'm going to have to sit down to put this thing on so that I can hold the bar upside down and then fit this kind of sturdy thing. All right. Boom. There it is. Attached. Ready to go. And I'm going to move it to the back of my computer now and replace that Pi book. And we're going to have a take a look and see what it's going to look like. All right. So there we go. I got a little bit of cable management to do. However, as you can see, that heavy base now it's looking much cleaner. There's my little cat pen container. It's looking much cleaner than the Pi book. So goodbye, easy as pie. This heavy base was also an absolute excellent thing for me. I hope it's great for you. If you have any questions, you want to talk about other Elgato or other streaming tech type equipment, I think it's all in good fun. If you're interested in purchasing one of these heavy bases, I have left a link to this product in the description of the video. And I've also included some links for the different attachments that you can use, that you saw, that little extension arm and that type of thing. So check it out. It helps the channel and I do appreciate it very much. Until the next one, don't forget, subscribe to MW Tech Zone for all your tech needs. Thank you very much.